Today I have a special treat for you. I'm going to show you how to make the most badass weld table clamps you can. This bad boy is called a gooseneck hold down dog, and you might have seen these on a larger scale on platen tables, the big thick cast weld tables with square holes. This normally works in a square hole table, but I wanted to know, would it work in a round hole weld table? I've seen people use the gooseneck hold down dogs on round hole woodworking table, but never in steel. So I was going to do it and see if it works. So I got some 5/8 bar stock from the Lowe's and bent one up. Let's see what she do. So these are nice because they're quick and easy, and they provide a lot of clamping force. Let's demonstrate. A little hit with the hammer, and now our workpiece is locked down and I can weld it. To release it, you just hit the back of the clamp, pull out your clamp, and it's done. It's that simple. I love it. They're one of my favorite things ever. So the way these function is, slide that down, and when you hit it with the hammer, the top part acts as a spring, so the shaft is forced down, wedged, the top springs up, and that clamping force holds your workpiece to the table. I love them. So let's go through how to make one. First, you get your 5/8 bar stock from Lowe's. So I've laid out on this bar stock already what the length will be and where I need my bends to be. So let's cut it. Eyes, ears, let's rock. Next, get your MAP gas torch and your cheater pipe, have where you marked your bends, get them nice red hot, and then bend them. It's dangerous, be safe, don't do this at home, all that good stuff. All right, so gradual bend, so you have a little flat spot here to grab your workpiece when you hammer down. And then you'll need this bend, which should be an acute angle here, over 90-degree bend back around to actually have it pointing down and give it that downward pressure. So let's bend it. Takes way too long to heat that up. We just need a gradual bend, so let's bend it. Just a little bend, just like that. That's all we need. Once I heat my bar stock up and put the bend in it, I like to put it in a bucket of water. Quench it, give it a little hardness back. That's nice. So chuck it back up, make the rest of the bends. So first bend we made was this gentle little bend here. That's a nice little curve. Now we're going to heat it at our next bend point and make our over 90 bend back the other direction. Let's go. Those take quite a while to heat up. All right, I think we're hot enough. Let's bend it. Beautiful. Nice little pair. Time for the quench. There you have it. How to make the most badass weld clamps for your 5/8 hole table. So let's get these bad boys in position, do a demonstration, see if they still work. Pretty damn strong.